Hello guys, coming back to you with one more set of video on a product information. This is regarding a baby walker. This baby walker is provided by Strand and Daisy. I'll place the link to buy this product from Amazon in the detailed description box so that you can check out, and if you like it you can purchase this product. Let us unbox this and see how it is and whether it is really worth the value. Proper step-by-step baby walker installation procedure is given here. Also you can see the installation video from here so that you can install it very easily. This is the basement, the reinforcement structure of this walker. You'll have to just press it up so that it comes up, and you can just, this sound means it's locked in its position. Okay, remove unwanted cardboards away. This is the entertainment for the baby. Set up dolls and music. Before you fix this fellow, just ensure that your batteries are connected in it. Just open it by a screwdriver. Place this plug point inside.
Place these two tiny little birds here. This fellow goes here. So, ta-da.
This is a pusher if you need to push your baby's walker. So these are the wheels of the walker. So this goes in, there are total 6 wheels present. Okay, so before connecting this, let us connect the these wheels on the dedicated positions provided here. It's just a press fit. You'll have to just press it and it's fixed. Press it on the hole and it will get fit. Done. One more. Fixed. Yeah. These are fixed now. Can be rotated in any of the directions as per your convenience. Now we need to connect the seat, baby seat here. So place these studs in here so that it gets locked. Okay, so this member, how this gets fitted is you have to flush this W out, flush this member out, and place this nut inside and tighten it from. Now it's time for us to get the wiring done. This wiring needs to be connected to this plug. So it's just a male-female plug. This is plugged in. And how do we connect this member to here? So just unscrew it, remove this, place it here. This has got various stages based on your baby's height. So if your baby's height is much shorter, so you can place it to the first level. Or if your baby is tall enough, based on leg distance, whether it is the baby's legs are touching the ground or no. So based on that you can select these levels. So my baby is tall enough, so I'll place it to the second level. And just tighten it. So if at all needed, just ensure that we are tightening this correctly. Use a screwdriver, hold it in here and tighten it so that the baby does not fall down. So now the walker is installed, baby seat is ready. Hope this installation video was helpful to you, and I'll be back with many more such home decor or home repair videos in the upcoming days. Keep supporting us by liking, sharing and subscribing these videos, and making sure that these contents reach majority of the people. Thank you so much. Have a good day.